go!
When there is a threat of or existing severe weather in the area, the test will be postponed until the following day. Tonight, this ends the test of the National Weather Service weather radio warning alarm. North winds around 5 miles per hour. Thursday, partly cloudy. Highs around 11 a.m. Weather reports winds around 5
Okay.
miles per hour.
Cleveland just tested. Ireland has yet to go for some reason. As you can see, none of my radios are on. So yeah, we'll wait for these fuckers. Hey, let's go!
Public warning system. During potentially dangerous weather systems,
Both the EAR-10s failed.
receivers can be automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties: Allen, Auglaize, Defiance, Hancock, Harding, Logan, Mercer, Paulding, Putnam, Shelby, Van Wert, and Wyandotte. This concludes the
Oh
weekly
my
test
God.
of radio station WXJ 93 Cridersville, Ohio. Now here is the official National Weather Service forecast for West Central Ohio. Rest of today, mostly sunny late this morning, then becoming partly cloudy.
Second time you have not fucking activated.
Storms this afternoon. Highs in the upper 70s. Northeast winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Chance of rain 20%. Tonight, mostly clear. Lows in the upper 50s. North winds around 5 miles an hour. Thursday, partly cloudy. Highs around 80. Northwest winds around 5 miles an hour. Thursday
The hell?
night, mostly clear. Lows around 60. Northwest winds around 5 miles an hour, becoming south after midnight. Friday, mostly sunny. Highs in the lower 80s. South winds around 5 miles an hour. Friday night,
Okay,
mostly
seriously.
clear. Lows in the lower 60s.
Do not just start
Saturday,
smoking.
partly cloudy. A chance of showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon. Highs in the lower
Dude,
80s.
come on!
Chance of rain 40%. Saturday night, partly cloudy. A chance of showers and thunderstorms in the evening, then a chance of showers after midnight. Lows in the mid-60s.
I'll take a look at you later.
Chance of rain 40%. Sunday, partly
You are
cloudy
not
with a
acting
chance of
good.
showers in the morning, then mostly cloudy with showers with a chance of thunderstorms in the afternoon. Highs around 80. Chance of rain 80%. Sunday night, partly cloudy. Showers with a chance of thunderstorms in the evening, then a chance of showers after midnight. Lows in the mid-60s. Chance of rain 80%. Monday, partly cloudy. A chance of showers. Highs in the upper 70s.
Alright.
Rain 50%.
I don't know why both the EAR-10s failed on a clear-ass fucking reception.
In the evening,
Of course you had to get shitty reception.
chance of rain 50%. Tuesday, partly cloudy. A chance of showers in the afternoon. Highs in the upper 70s.
You were getting clear-ass fucking reception, so I do not know why you failed.
This is no weather. All hazards. Radio station WXJ93.
I'm gonna have to investigate you, because you fucking are not working correctly.
Broadcasting on a frequency of 100.
Hey, caramba. All the 300s activated. All the 100s activated. But yeah, so the EAR-10s took a shit for some reason. And Zongar Plus isn't acting itself, it's like acting all shitty and stuff. I think its power supply is bad. WX100, 67, HH, last RWT. For it, I will be getting a V16. All the 120s went. The running snail, 996. And running it out, everything, almost everything went. Both recoms. You failed on a clear ass reception. But yeah, that concludes this weekly. I wait for the IWXs. Come on!
This is a test updating NOAA weather radio warning alarm. During periods of tense and severe weather, special receivers are activated to warn of the impending EAS drought. Tests for these receivers are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. When there's been threat of severe weather on Wednesday, the test will be postponed until the first available good weather day. Reception is broadcast.
You're lagging too? Oh god, I swear to god, my EAR-10s are going out.
A toll will be activated to selected watches and warnings affecting the following counties. In Indiana, Porter, LaPorte, St. Joseph, Elkhart, LaGrange, Steuben, Stark, Marshall, Kosciuszko, Noble, DeKalb, Whitley, Allen, Miami, Wabash, Huntington, Wells, Adams, Grant, Blackford, Pulaski, and Jay. In Ohio, Williams, Fulton, Defiant, Henry, Paulding, and Van Wert. And in Michigan, Marion, Cass, St. Joseph, Branch, and Hillsdale. For more information, see our webpage at www.weather.gov/IWX and click on NOAA Weather Radio under Local Information. We now return to normal programming. Chance of rain 80%. Sunday night, partly cloudy. Showers with the chance of thunderstorms in the This is NOAA Weather Radio station WXJ 58 in Fort Wayne. Visit our website via weather.gov/IWX. Partly cloudy. The current time is 11:33 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
Yeah, I forgot I had that on. Alright, I don't know what it is. The EAR-10s just seem to be having so many fucking problems. Like, look at how laggy this is. I think it could just be the batteries going out. I'm hoping that's the cause. Oh, now it all of a sudden just works. You're probably gonna need your batteries charged soon.
The dew point 64, and the relative humidity 76%. The wind northeast at 7 miles an hour. The barometric pressure was 30.1. The conditions. Cities in Ohio and Indiana. In Dayton Fair and 74. In Toledo Fair and 76. In Findlay Fair and 76.
Alright.
In Van Wert Fair.
I've got to figure out what's going on with these EAR-10s. Because this is just... Seriously, this is pissing me off at this point.
Ohio, Cleveland Fair and 76. At the Lima, Allen County Airport.
I'm pretty sure IND is tested by now.
Now here's the official National Weather Service forecast for central rest of today, mostly sunny late this morning.
Zongar Plus is acting up. Lots of things are just acting up on me. For some reason.
Highs in the upper 70s.
Like, those didn't activate at all with a clear ass reception. That's been has been stroking on itself. You haven't activated twice. And yeah, and I forgot to set you to off, so you only go off for like 8 seconds, and then I forgot to set you on high. Alright, that will conclude these weeklies.